In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a multi-language website in Odoo. If you want your website to serve visitors in more than one language, Odoo makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add new languages to your website, enable them for the correct site, and then check that everything is working properly once your translations are in place. To begin, open the website app from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Configuration and then open Settings. This is where you'll find the main website options, including language management. Scroll until you find the Languages section. In this area, click Install New Languages or use the available option to add languages, depending on your Odoo version. This will open the Add Languages window, where you can choose exactly which languages you want to make available on your website. In the Languages drop-down, select the language or languages you want to add. If you're planning to support multiple regions or audiences, this is the step where you define that setup. Then, under Websites to Translate, choose the website where you want those languages to be enabled. This is especially important if your Odoo database manages more than one website, because you want to be sure the languages are applied to the correct one. You'll also see an option called Override Existing Terms. If you leave this checked, any existing translated terms for those languages may be replaced during installation. That can be useful if you want a fresh update of the standard translated terms. If you've already customized translations and want to preserve them, review this setting carefully before continuing. Once everything looks right, click Add to install the selected languages for the website. Odoo will then activate those languages and make them available for your site. After that, return to your website and use the language selector to switch to one of the newly added languages. This lets you view the site as a visitor would in that language. From there, translate the website content for the selected language and save your changes. Make sure to go through the important pages, headings, menus, and calls to action so the translated experience feels complete and consistent. Finally, switch between the available languages to verify that each translated version displays correctly. This last check is important because it helps you catch missing translations, layout issues, or content that may still appear in the original language. Once that looks good, your multi-language website setup in Odoo is ready to go. Thanks for watching.